This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can put the drone's camera into the burst shot mode, or to put it in other words, take a series of pictures in a very quick succession. So first you will obviously need to enter the DJI Fly interface. Next, locate the shutter button, usually all the time I guess it will be. It could be found on the display's right side. Anyway, look above it. Here you'll find an icon, tap on it. Select the photo shooting mode, and among available photo modes, select burst. Now choose how many pictures, how many photos you would like to take in a quick succession. Let's say I'll go with 5. And then simply tap the shutter button to take a series of pictures. Now if we'll go into the gallery, you'll find them right over here. First 5 photos, neatly grouped into a single entity here, so you can navigate your gallery way easier and more convenient, I would assume. Anyway, as far as putting the camera into the burst shot mode goes, that'll be. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.